going to learn about how to make a newsletter. So first of all, save your file with the name. I have given newsletter. Suppose it is existing, I say okay. Now I will first type my material. I have written global warming. I am making an article on global warming, typing an article on global warming. I will first type my everything, and then I will, as told earlier also, that type everything and then do the formatting. So my typing portion is ready. Now I will be doing my formatting part. सबसे पहले हम heading को formatting करेंगे. Format करने के लिए select the heading, go to the font size, increase the size as you want, change the writing if you want. I say I want in Arial. Change the color, bold, align, center. I have done everything. Now the main topic is how to make it in columns. So select your data, text which you want to divide it into columns. I have selected it. Now I will go to page layout option. In page setup group, column. Now you can divide it in one column as it is there. You can divide it into 2, 3, left column, right column, and you can divide into number of more columns. So I will be dividing into 2 columns. Then I am going back to home and I am doing justify. See, now you can see they are aligned from both the margin and looking evenly better. So this is my text. One part is over. Now the second most important part, आपने मैगजीन में देखा होगा कि पहला जो करेक्टर होता है वो 3 लाइन्स में स्प्रेड होता है. तो अब हम देखते हैं कि हम इस वी को 3 लाइन में कैसे स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं, और इस फीचर को बोला जाता है ड्रॉप कैप. क्या बोला जाता है? ड्रॉप कैप. Select 3-4 lines, go to insert, in insert go to drop cap feature. Now here insert tab and the text group drop cap. Now I say dropped. Have you seen it is dropped? So this is the way you can make your text more beautiful. Now I want to insert an image over here. Suppose I want to insert an image over here. So I click on the cursor, insert, insert picture. Now you can take the picture from the clip art or you can take any image. Suppose I want to insert this image. Insert, you can download the image from the Google or anywhere. Now I resize this image. Now the main is how to wrap the image. Now I want to wrap the text square or tight. Now I can move it here. You want to rotate the image. देखो image सीधी नहीं लग रही, तो I am rotating the image. You can set as you want. Now look here, I have moved the image. Okay. So here it is. I can fix. So wrap text में there are different option beta. Square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of the text. So I have done tight, or you can say square. So I have done tight. Next part is, कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि बड़े सारे आर्टिकल्स कुछ होते हैं, उनमें टेक्स्ट जो होता है वहाँ यहाँ ऐसे साइड कॉर्नर पे लिखा होता है. ठीक है, तो हाउ टू डू दैट? आई विल गो टू अगेन इंसर्ट टैब. इंसर्ट में आई विल इंसर्ट अ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. क्लिक ऑन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. Simple text box I am inserting. Write the thing what you want to write. Suppose I have written Khushali. I want to print my name here. So Khushali. Now I am rotating this because I want it like this. Okay. Now I am dragging it outside, little bit out. Now look here. I have written my name. I can select it. I can make it bold and everything. Whatever I want to do it. I select the text, home. I say bold. I increase the size. जो formatting आपने करनी है आप कर सकते हैं 26. Okay. When done, you will select. Now I don't want this line to be here. जो ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का लाइन आ रहा है ये नहीं चाहते, तो आप टेक्स्ट बॉक्स पे डबल क्लिक जैसे ही करेंगे तो एक और फॉर्मेट टैब आ जाएगा. इसमें एक ऑप्शन आता है शेप फिल एंड शेप आउटलाइन. आप शेप आउटलाइन में जाएंगे और कहेंगे नो आउटलाइन. ऐसे ही शेप फिल में जाएंगे एंड कहेंगे नो फिल. अब नाउ लुक हेयर, you can select it and now I am moving the text. Again wrap text के अंदर आप इसको in line with text, square, tight, through जैसे भी कर सकते हो. तो I am doing through. Okay. So here it is. Now I click outside, so you can see that this way my text is there. Okay, so this is your, now you can preview your page, see how it's look. This way your newsletter is ready and you can save it. Is that clear?